Hey guys, welcome back to the Vlogger124. Today we're going to be exploring Windows 11, the final version that came out a couple of days ago, as of the time of this video being filmed. So yeah, we're going to be taking a look at some stuff that's like new in the Windows 11 thing. So yeah, let's get straight into the desktop. I'll start screen sharing and stuff. So here we are on the desktop, guys, and yeah. So let's just explore around and what's new and what's not. Well, first off, like, I noticed when like trying to open up like OBS Studio here, right there, is that this is kind of new and open in Windows Terminal. So that means there is no more command prompt anymore. Which, if we type in, like, if we do Windows plus R and type in CMD, Windows can't find CMD. Make sure you type it in correctly. So CMD does not exist, or maybe I accidentally put that slash there. Oh, CMD does exist. So let's just try ping www.google.com. Okay, there's a problem. Probably because I'm not connected to the internet. /LST. What's that one? /C. Maybe it's backslash, but I'm not really that good with the command prompt. So /CLST dislist. Or maybe it's DISLEST. Yeah, nah. Not that good with the command prompt and stuff. So yeah, but open in Windows Terminal here, which is Windows Terminal, you can like add different like things like command prompt, Windows PowerShell, and Azure Cloud Shell. And you can actually download different shells off the Microsoft Store. So like if you want to do the Ubuntu terminal, Linux terminal, whatever you want to call it, that you can do. So there's nothing much that new. That stayed the same. Calculator, calendar, notepad, paints in this bundle. Thought they removed paint in like Windows 10, like you have to download it off the Microsoft Store, but like paint is still here. Paint still exists, which is good for some people that rely on paint to use it as a whiteboard and stuff. So let's just save it, my beautiful art, piece of art, and let's save it to download folder. File Explorer now. That's the same as like the developmental preview that I showed off. It said the PNG image. The only two files I've got in here is the OBS Studio installer and the untitled thing. So yeah, that's about kind of it. Let's see if we can open up the Microsoft Store and see if it'll actually show us like the new thing. It refuses to even show us the layout now, because like in the developmental one it showed the Windows 10 variant of the Microsoft Store, which was kind of neat. Tips, calculator, alarms, and clock. Let's take a look at alarms and clock. Alarms and clocks needs to be updated, but it was unable to update because I don't have internet connection hooked up to this computer right now. And yeah, so we can't really do much without an internet connection, that we've learned, even though this is Windows 11 Pro. I've got the Pro variant installed on here. So if we go into settings, where is settings? Settings, under where is like about this PC and stuff. About. So it's an Intel Core i5-6400T that I got correct, 4 gigs of RAM. And yeah, Windows 11 Pro, it says it right the always build experience, Windows feature experience pack number that you guys can read, but I'm not gonna read. So yeah, we can activate remote desktop and stuff through those settings. But yeah, here's like the widgets panel thing. That window, well, it's not fogged up as much as like in the developmental preview, so that's nice. Went back to like the arrow style from Windows Vista and 7. If we go, let's like hover over, like, no, click onto that, that's just like that. Just shows the calendar. Where's Action Center? We can't get like Action Center up and stuff. OBS Studio, Windows Security Actions recommended, OneDrive not signed in. Because I don't really like using Microsoft accounts that much. Even though I've got like some stuff synced up and using Microsoft OneDrive and I use Microsoft Word. But yeah, it's alright. And like the search buttons and stuff are different apps, and yeah, but the search here is almost like the same there and stuff. But yeah, there's nothing much new since like the developmental build. Let's see about Microsoft Edge. Has it changed or anything? No, it hasn't changed. As you can see, Edge is right there. Can't search anything because if we go to google.com, it won't take us there since we don't have internet connection. So yeah, that's about it. One thing that we can check out is like the new dark themes and stuff. Since Windows is activated, don't plan on using Windows 11 on the system for like a while now. Haven't planned on quite using it, but if we go into personalization, there is like the dark theme there, glow for image, that, and like there's two variants for the light theme that we have, and like kind of a frosted white wallpaper of the variant of that one and the white one. But I actually kind of like how Windows plays like the dark theme now with that like bloom effect and stuff, so File Explorer and stuff doesn't look all weird like it did in Windows 10. And yeah, that's right about like it for Windows 11 here. But there are quite like a few things for Windows 11, like the notepad and stuff, which, wait, I don't know if it's just my screen playing up. It doesn't quite look like right here. It's like rounded and stuff. But these snap layouts and stuff weren't really like want to play with the dark theme. But that's actually quite neat that the thing that the snap layout is there. Let's just try to change the theme and see if we can get that fogged effect again. So we'll just change it back to light theme. It's not really neat that Microsoft didn't do it that nice for like the fogged effect theme. So let's just go back to the default theme. There. Minimize. Yeah, I think it's just probably my GPU that it won't render the effect, or Microsoft didn't put it in this release. But I did like pick up Windows and stuff. So there we can get OBS up, and there. That's actually quite neat and stuff. So yeah, that's all for Windows 11. And yeah. Yeah, see you guys next video. Hey guys, and one more thing that I want to quickly mention before like I end off the video properly, even though I said in the last clip that you guys were watching that it's the end. of the video. That is like the Windows 10 app compatibility and stuff. So I've got like the Windows PC Health Check app here open. That Windows app 11 compatibility is actually quite nice. So I open Windows PC Health Check app. I wonder what it'll think I'm using and stuff, using the PC Health Check app. So introducing Windows 11, it doesn't think I'm running Windows 11. The processor won't meet like the requirements and stuff, but it doesn't think I'm using Windows 11. It's 5 years old, 500 gig HDD and 4 gigs of RAM. That's actually nice. Found it was 5 years old. It's a 5-year-old computer. I didn't even know quite what like that. But startup time may vary, and manage your startup programs. Tips on PC Health. It opens up the new Windows 11 Tips app, which again, no internet connection there. But wonder what it'll think that I'm running and stuff. So it's the PC Health Check app there, but it's still it's weird that the PC Health Check app thinks that I'm still using Windows 10 even though this is clearly Windows 11 right here and then. So now the video is truly ended, and see you guys next time.